All right, good morning, good morning. So today is the 3rd of April, the first trading day actually, because it's a Monday. So later on for news, we do have PMI. The numbers aren't so different, so it still should affect, but not as much. But nevertheless, keep an eye on it. Let's start with GBP, GBY here on the daily. Let's remove all analysis. Previous daily candle, bull bullish candle created a resistance. Sorry, bearish candle created a resistance. Um, Support seems to be down here. Let's take a look on the 4 hour, see if we get more information. But just here on the daily, we did make a lower wick. If this current candle breaks its own high, we do have clean ranges all the way up about 81 pips to fill this wick. Keep that in mind. So let's take a look on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour, same thing. Although on the 4 hour, we do have some more information. Let me adjust these levels here. This one comes to here. This was a previous resistance here. Support broke, so I'm expecting this to be moved all the way up here for this 4 hour. I don't see anything currently here. This could be something on the 1 hour. We'll have a closer look to that, but in the meantime, this is a zone of interest. Yeah, definitely a resistance here, also over there. So resistance here broke, support here, sorry, broke resistance, created support. I can even adjust this a little bit. And currently going up, broke this resistance here, close above, next candle. If it does break above its own high or even the previous high, we do have clean ranges to go up till maybe 164 or even retest this high, depending on how the market will move. Now on the 30-minute, we do have some more information that we can take a closer look, adjust these levels. So 30-minute, here's what I'm going to do. Remove this. Let's add this support, obviously, that was created here, right? Went up, found resistance right here. Now, if we do break above this resistance, we do have clean ranges all the way up to this wick, so about 36 pips, something like that. Let's just mark this here. This is another zone of interest right here. So for buys currently, I am looking for this to break. Well, if this candle breaks and closes above, we do have 3 minutes to close. This becomes a support right here for it to move on further up. If it does come down, close as bearish candle, wait for it either to break this support or break this resistance to see where market would go. So for buys, looking above 164. For sells, looking below 164 234 to maybe below this wick to come all the way down somewhat around here, which is about 25 pips. Not the best, but still that's what we're looking for. Gold, let's move for GBP, sorry, let's move on to gold here. Remove all analysis, same thing. Gold is clearly just ranging here, but still, let's see what we can do here. So the previous candle closed a bearish candle. Clearly we're just in a ranging zone. This candle, currently the day candle, already made a lower wick. If it does flip bearish to move on up, we could see it retest these highs, but not really worth anything because it's just in a range on the daily. But let's see on a lower time frame to see if we can get any more information on that. Set this down here as our support. So support strong, bullish candle close in an hour. Let's see, adjust these levels a bit more here. So right on the 4 hour we can get, on the 1 hour we can get a bit more information on this. Let me just adjust these, put it on the most recent zones. So 4 hours, we do have a zone right here, a resistance. On the 1 hour, we do have that same resistance up here that the market could respect, and we did break this resistance right here, the strong bullish candle, right? So clearly on a current uptrend from this support that created down here, bullish, bullish, close with very little to no wick at the top. Interesting. On the 30-minute, yeah, same situation. Okay, so on the 30-minute, this candle is going to close in about a minute. The next one to be going up, probably, but we are already too far away from the support zone. Would like to see some sort of support formed here, this candle, create a support, and then to move on up for us to take buys. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait for the next move to come, which could be, if we're still following this bias trend, above 1971. And we do have clean ranges all the way up to 1979. That's what I'll be looking for, because to take buys, even if this candle closes bullish and the next candle starts to break this previous candle, we are too far away from the support to take any buys. So keep that in mind. That's all for today. Bye, guys.